Step inside a home where every room tells a story, from velvet-lined snugs and marble-topped kitchens to paneled bedrooms bathed in elegance. This isn't just interior design, it's timeless craftsmanship reimagined for modern living. As the front door opens, the grandeur unfolds within the generous entrance hall adorned with tessellated tiled floors, setting the stage for the splendor that awaits. This culinary haven features a curated selection of wall and base units, fitted appliances, and a central island, all adorned with granite countertops. The heart of the residence lies in the impeccably designed kitchen/dining/snug area. The open-plan design continues into a snug area, adorned with yet another remarkable open fireplace framed by a marble surround. These show richly hued rooms with deep blue walls, built-in cabinetry, velvet sofas, and gallery-style wall art. The fireplace and detailed floor tiles enhance the classic, luxurious vibe. The master bedroom boasts an ensuite bathroom with underfloor heating, adding to the opulence of the space. These highlight paneled gray walls, crystal chandeliers, and tufted headboards. The mix of heritage tones with luxurious textures conveys a serene yet sophisticated master suite. The landing provides access to 4 luxuriously appointed double bedrooms, each equipped with air conditioning units and bespoke fitted wardrobes featuring discrete TV points. Feature vintage dressing tables, muted blue and beige color palettes, and elegant trims, showcasing an understated but refined design throughout. A large, modern family bathroom, also with underfloor heating, caters to the remaining bedrooms, ensuring a sumptuous retreat for every resident.